exhale, big step forward. Left foot comes in between the two hands. We lift all the way up to our high lunge. Take a moment to ground in your high lunge, reaching in your hands so you can go a little deeper in the legs. We inhale, and as we exhale, left hand reaches back, right hand reaches forward, twisted high lunge, really opening up the chest towards the left side of the mat. Inhaling, we come back through center, high lunge. And exhaling, warrior two, we're facing the right side of the mat. Inhaling, warrior two, reaching forward to exhale, peaceful warrior, reaching left hand up and over. Take one more inhale and peaceful, and as you exhale, left forearm to left thigh, reach right hand up and over, extended side angle. Your next inhale, come back through warrior two, straightening the left leg, we're sending the left arm back, reverse triangle, squeezing the glutes. Inhale, and as you exhale, cartwheel the hands, bending back into the left knee. Right hand comes down to the mat, we lift the right heel, easy twist.